Gentle fairies, wise elf men, please help us, please do. Bring golden light to our candle, for me and for you. Where did it happen? When did it happen? Where and when did it not happen? This story happened not too far from this very place. One beautiful spring morning, Mother Earth awoke, and she was so excited, for it was her very favorite day. May was here. May Day was here. Laughing, laughing comes the springtime over the hill. Over the hill comes the springtime, ha ha ha, laughing over the hill. She went and tended to all of her flowers. Oh, the jasmine smelled so good. Good morning, Ladybank's roses. How do you do? With their sunshiny little faces so happy. Good morning, Cecil Bruners. Ah, by far you are my favorite rose. And good morning, dear sweet peas. Ah, the flowers smelled so good. Mother Earth had her hands full. She was very busy collecting her flowers. She took her flowers, and the petals clung to her gown, and she put them in little baskets, just like so. She gathered her baskets all together. And the more she collected, the more she put into her basket. Good morning, daisies. Oh, look at their sweet little sunny faces. Mother Earth loved flowers so very much. This basket needs one more. What shall it be? I think a sweet pea. That one is a big sweet pea, so she had to cut it down just a little bit to make it fit just right. Well, Mother Earth loved surprises. Did you know she loved surprises? And on May Day, she knew the best surprise of them all. She was making these baskets for all of her neighbors, and she would sneak them up to the doors. My Lady Spring, she's dressed in green. She wears a primrose gown. I better be quiet now. I don't want Old Gnome to hear me. And she walked right up to Old Gnome's front door and placed a May Day basket on his porch. And she walked away. Who's here? And she tried to run away. Look at this lovely basket that someone has left for me. Oh, it smells so divine. Won't old Mrs. Gnome be so surprised? I wonder if I can see who left it. Mother Earth, is that you? Oh, old gnome, you weren't supposed to see me. Well, I did. And I heard such fine singing. Was that you? Yes, my old friend. And the two friends gave each other such a fine hug. Happy May Day to you, my old friend. Happy May Day to you, Mother Earth. Are you going to deliver more baskets? I am. Well, I should like to come with you, may I? Old Gnome, can you be quiet enough? I will try my best. And the two friends went off and gathered another basket. I'll stand back and watch to see how you do it. And Old Gnome did just that. And she snuck quietly. And she placed a basket on the handle of the door. And off she backed up so quietly. You see, Old Gnome, that's how it's done. Would you like to have a turn? Yes, please. I will stand back and I will watch you. And Old Gnome went and gathered the last basket. Oh, full of ladybanks and Cecil Bruners and sweet peas. Mother Earth said, "Shh, don't forget." And Old Gnome placed the basket right on the steps of the finest house. And then he went away. Old Gnome had some jasmine stuck to his beard. He did not mind at all. Yes, Old Gnome, that is how it's done. May Day is a very special day where we can surprise our loved ones with flowers. You can surprise your neighbors and your friends. For what is better than finding a basket on your doorstep? Not much, said Old Gnome. Thank you again so kindly, Mother Earth. You are quite welcome. I shall see you soon. And Old Gnome went home and gathered his basket and took it inside, where old Mrs. Gnome could enjoy it. Thank you, dear flowers. Thank you, month of May. It is such a beautiful month. It is the month of May, when merry lads are playing. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. It is the month of May, when merry lads are playing. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la-la-la. Mother Earth's heart was filled with love. And she was feeling so much better. Oh my, I have forgotten my snuffer. Candle fairies burning bright, thank you for your story light. Snip, snap, snout. This tale is all told out. So friends, maybe you too can gather flowers and surprise your neighbors with them. Wouldn't that be fun? I miss you. I love you.